So, I just have to say that I had been planning this entire time of being in quarantine and being away from you all to record a video congratulating the class of 2020 on their incredible achievement. And then Mr. Rondo had to go ahead and do a video first. And so now I am going to have to pivot a little bit, not salty at all or anything, but we're going to do things a little bit differently. So instead, I have some words I want to share with you first that I wanted to make sure that I went over before I move on to other things. So, to the class of 2020, congratulations. I am so proud of you. I love most of you. You know who you are. I hope I get to see you walk the stage sometime. August, later, whenever, but I sincerely hope I get to see you walk. My first year of teaching was actually your future student of high school. Look at how much we've all grown. No matter what, I know you're going to go on and do amazing things. No matter what, I am always going to cheer for you. No matter what, I'm always going to see your potential for greatness. No matter what, you will always matter. Always. No matter what, I will always be here to celebrate your successes, to help you to your feet after stumbles, and to encourage you to keep moving. You will always matter to me, always. Stay safe. Go into your future bravely. Don't be afraid to be amazing, because most of you already are. And for those of you who are still struggling to find yourself, you'll have the time to find your amazingness. There are so many things that I would like to say to you all, and unfortunately too little time, and I don't want you to have to listen forever to my voice, but I do want to say that I am so sorry that so many of your senior experiences were ripped away from you. I'm so sorry that this pandemic happened now. I am so sorry that some of you have been so personally affected by it outside of your senior year, possibly with loved ones, possibly with yourself. I was so looking forward to seeing you all cross the stage. I know many of your stories. I know many of your struggles. I know how many of you never thought that you would actually be able to get your diploma because of things that have happened in your life. And being able to walk the stage was proof that you overcame all of it. To your naysayers, to people who should have helped but didn't, to support systems that weren't there, to supporting yourself, you overcame so much. And the least that should have been able to happen was you crossing the stage. And hopefully when that is safe to do so, when we will not be putting you in harm's way, but instead being able to celebrate your true successes, that will happen hopefully one day. But until then, I just want to say that for so many of you, you have grown significantly since your freshman year. Some of you were annoying, you know who you are. Some of you were a little lost. Some of you were a little quiet. Some of you were very loud. But so many of you have done so much growing, so much maturing, so much finding of yourself that I am so excited to see where your future goes and the path that you take. And I hope to see it for many of you. I hope many of you keep in touch. And even if you don't, even if we drift a little bit, I will always hope for the best. I will always pray for your success. I will hope that you find your happiness, your joy, your passion in any path that you take. And I hope you know that for as much as I may have had an impact on you, each and every one of you have had an impact on me. And I would not be the educator I am today if it wasn't for so many of you and everything that you have done for me in return. So please know that I am proud of you. I am so hopeful for your futures, and congratulations on your incredible accomplishment. Much love from Miss Burrow.